How to create an Adobe searchable PDF with Raster Image Printer 12. PDF Image Printer 12 uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output file you want. PDF Image Printer comes with a few default profiles, including Adobe PDF and non-searchable PDF. To create Adobe searchable multi-page PDF, simply set the profile Adobe PDF as PDF Image Printer's default profile. Note that all of the following information also applies if you are creating PDF files with our Raster Image Printer. Double-click on the PDF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the PDF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the PDF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to PDF Image Printer. Select Manage Printers. Beside PDF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and ensure Adobe PDF is set as the default profile. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management. Now, each time you print to PDF Image Printer, it will automatically apply the settings stored in the Adobe PDF profile to your output PDF files. Our default Adobe PDF profile is configured to create searchable multi-page PDF files. If you want to create a searchable PDF, do not enable Create each page of the PDF as an image. This flag tells PDF Image Printer to create a non-searchable PDF file. When creating a searchable PDF file, we always maintain whatever colors existed in the original file. Therefore, if you are printing a text-only Word document to PDF Image Printer, the resultant Adobe PDF will only be black and white. While if the original Word document had your color logo in the header, the colors will be maintained in the resultant Adobe PDF. Color reduction techniques only apply when creating images. If you make any changes to our default settings, you will need to save your own custom profile. For the purposes of this example, I am happy with the default Adobe PDF profile, so I will not save this duplicate profile. Close Profile Manager and the dashboard. Open the document you want to convert to PDF. Select File, Print. Select PDF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to PDF Image Printer. Then set the name and save location of your new PDF image. Now, files printed to PDF Image Printer will be multi-paged and searchable. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.